Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram Grok AI for group moderation. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So what you want to do is firstly, go ahead and open your Telegram and search for Grok AI on the search bar and simply go ahead and start it. Once you go ahead and start it, you want to simply go ahead and head into your group, and inside of your group, you want to go into your admin rights. And that is exactly where you can simply go ahead and add your Grok AI. It will go ahead and put rules as well, and Grok is going to be inside of your community as you guys can see it. So it is as simple as that. Grok will also go ahead and moderate your chat, tell people to be respectful, and many more, and it will also give warnings and so on. You can also go ahead and give it commands like help, ban, warn, mute, and many more. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.